Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to your English blog. In this video, I'm gonna talk about fishing. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So, in my opinion, I think the fishing is the interesting activity because most of the people enjoying fishing very much from different kinds of lakes, ponds, etc. And those who fishing those who do fishing in different kinds of places like large amount of ocean, they are called fishermen. And fishing means to caught large amount of fishes, and to caught that kind of large amount of fishes they really have to work hard. For that, they can catch a lot of fishes from large amount of oceans or in any places. And one thing that is for fishing, it means those who do fishing they need some things to catch fishes, and the things are fishing net and some food for fishes. These are the two main things we need when we do fishing from anywhere. But we all know that fishermen caught large amount of fishes every day and do hard work. And to catch that kind of large amount of fishes, they must need a large amount of fishing net, and they also need a thing to put the fishes into them. So right now I have some questions regarding fishing. So I will tell the questions and serially I will also tell that question's answer. So let's start. So my first question is, does fishing is very popular in your country? My answer will be of course. The fishing is very popular in our country. Like most of the day, all the day, the fishermen caught fishes and they caught large amount of fishes because most of the people in our Bangladesh like to eat varieties kinds of fishes, and we all know that in the country of our Bangladesh there are millions kinds of fishes. And one thing I wanna say in this answer, that is the national fish of our country is hilsa. It is really very tasty to eat and it's really very fresh. And it is only available in the large oceans, and it is not possible to keep in any ponds, lakes, etc. It can only alive in the large amount of oceans. That's why the hilsa fish is only available in the large kind of oceans. And not only that fish, almost all kind of fresh fishes and also large amount of fishes are available in the large amount of rivers or oceans. So my another question is, what do a fish has? Well, my question My answer will be a fish has two eyes and a gills. And the gills means they can breathe with that. And this is called gills. And also they have a tail. And they also have a straight line in their body. With that straight line, they feel comfortable to swim inside the water. So my another question is, have you seen a large amount of fishes around you? My answer will be yes, of course. Once upon a time, I saw a large amount of fishes around me, and I saw this view in a pond of a village, and it was looking really very interesting. And that time I was really enjoying that view of the large amount fishes in that pot. And one interesting thing that is that time all the fishes was jumping very highly, and it was looking very interesting and very essential. So my another question is, have you seen another large amount of fishes in any movies? So my answer will be yes, of course. I can remember that in a movie that I have seen, there was a large amount of fishes in a park. And that movie was English horror movie, and that movie was about a fish. And that movie was really very exciting movie ever. And most of the day, like in my free time or in my leisure time, I see different kinds of English movies like horror movies. And that fishing horror movie was really very exciting too. And whenever I watch any kinds of movie in my free time or in my leisure time, I try to see different kinds of English horror movies because I really like this. Then my another question is, do you like to eat different kinds of fishes? Then my answer will be, of course, why not? I really like to eat varieties kind of fish very much. And not only me, the whole people of my country, most of the people like to eat varieties kinds of fishes because almost all kinds of fishes are available in our Bangladesh. So it was the question answer of fishing. So those who are watching my video, I hope you all guys are enjoying my video. So bye bye everyone, take care and see you in another video. Bye bye, tata, love peace.